There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
We're here at the Seaside Promenade area called Split Riva Promenade in Split, Croatia. It has many shops and restaurants, and it's very pretty to see this area. It's a very short walk from the cruise port and our ship to this area, and it's also walking distance to the other areas called the Peristyle, which is the old area, as well as an open market and something called Marmont Street, where there's a lot of restaurants as well. It is the second largest city in Croatia with 342,000 in the metro area and is on the eastern shore of the Adriatic Sea. Ely's finally getting her coconut ice cream gelato, 2 scoops. I sampled it, it's very good. Behind there is one of the Costa ships, and next to it, behind it, is our ship, the Volendam. It's a beautiful seafront, gorgeous day. It's about low 70s. Yeah, late October. This is a very nice walkway with a bunch of restaurants and lots of shops. Many tourists. And there's a lot of shops on the way to and from the cruise port. They don't accept euros or dollars, only credit cards, and the national currency is the krono, which was about 7.5 to 1 euro. So we bought a few things that we wanted or needed. This is the famous old area of the city, and it was built around 305 AD by Roman Emperor Diocletian. It contains a palace, a church, and a temple built in honor of the god Jupiter. To my right is the temple to Jupiter, and to the left is the church of Saint Domnius. This is one of the nice squares that you can walk to from the ship. Has lots of restaurants, pretty busy. It's within walking distance of the church, and many outdoor market shops where you can buy souvenirs and fruits. We hope you liked this video. We only had about 7 hours here from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. to explore Split, Croatia. We are at sea the next day, and then our next port will be Santorini or Thyra, Greece. We hope you like this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for watching.